So before we go to the development of all of this during the project life cycle, I'm going to discuss a small brief about the plant design phase or project design phases so that you can have an overview about them, and you can see that my next course is a plant design phases, a plant design process. You can enroll in it for deeper understanding from this. First off is the conceptual design. It involves transforming the project initial ideas into a preliminary design that outlines the basic process flow and identifies the major equipment required to achieve the desired outcome. Second off is the FEED or front-end engineering design stage. During this stage, the process design is refined and expanded upon with a focus on optimizing the process flow, equipment, and overall plan. Third off is the detailed engineering. The aim of this stage is to finalize the equipment and pipe sizing and hydraulics and develop a comprehensive 3D model for the plant. Fourth phase is the construction. Phase involves the construction of plant according to all of the engineering done in these phases. Third is finally is the commissioning, where the process designs come to life as the plant is brought online and begins to produce the desired product. So the developments of this drawing during project life cycle from FEED to commissioning start in the conceptual design. Initial process simulation using Aspen ISS or Bluetooth or a BFD Rev A issued showing basic process intent, major equipment, and preliminary operating condition. Second off, in the FEED, a detailed process definition happened. So a BFD Rev B, second Rev, approved for FEED, issued with finalized equipment list, stream tables, and utility requirement, cost estimate, and the project scope defined. In the detailed engineer, a complete P&ID developed with full instrumentation, control system, line number, and the specs, plot plan, and general engineering drawing is finalized. Isometrics generated for fabrication. In the construction and the fabrication, drawing used for procurement of the materials, support fabrication, equipment installation, and the piping erection, field change documented with revision control. Finally, the commissioning and handover, all of the as-built drawing reflecting the actual field condition and operation team is trained using final P&D complete documentation package is handed over to the client. All of this equipment and all of this drawing are handed from the designing team to the operation team to run this plan. So to sum up, BFD Rev A in the conceptual, BFD Rev B it's approved for FEED, P&ID is issued for construction, as built or the final is the P&ID. Key milestone: process simulation completed, equipment specification is finalized, hazard and operability studies is done. It's made during the detailed engineering step to check for any default in the system and the adding of another interlock to help keep the planet more safe. Regularity approval is obtained.